Hello, welcome to the validsteamkeys.com website. Today we will show you how to easily get a Steam key for your favorite video game. Let's start. The first step is to select a game. Click the Get It Free button and then the Download CD Key button. As you can see, the partial CD key will be shown to you. To prevent bots from abusing the keys, the last 5 digits of the key are censored. To get the full key, simply follow the steps, enter your email, and finish the human verification process. Your full Steam key will be sent to the provided email address. When you finish the human verification process, proceed to the next step. Open your email and copy the received Steam key. Let's now redeem the key on the Steam client. Open your Steam, click on the games, and then activate a product. Enter the key that you unlock on our website and click Confirm. As you can see, we just successfully activated the key. Enjoy using our service. It's free to use. Thanks for watching.